Thank you for submitting an abstract to DDW 2019. This brief video will show you how to print a receipt for your abstract submission. To print your receipt, first log into the submission site located at ddw2019.abstractcentral.com. After you've logged in, click on the Submission tab located in the top left corner of the page. You'll now see a list of your abstract submissions. Use the drop-down menu next to the abstract title to select View Receipt. Your receipt will now open in a new window. To print your receipt or save it to your computer, click the Print button in the bottom right corner. If you need assistance printing a receipt or logging into the submission site, please contact program@ddw.org. Thank you for your interest in DDW 2019.